Hi, this is Mike Griffin. I'm a professor at the University of Massachusetts Dartmouth and the Charlton College of Business, and I've prepared a series of little lectures, mini lectures on internships. I call it the Internship Excellent Internship Course, how to land a great one and carry it out successfully. This particular topic is on the type of work assignments you can expect on an internship, and so you might be doing project work. This is where you'll be asked to do a special analysis or an assignment that requires you to use skills related to your major area of study. So we've had students, for example, that are MIS majors who've been asked to take a look at a website, critique the company website, and to recommend improvements. In some cases, they may have to implement those improvements. We've had students go into the accounting field and get accounting internships and have to prepare a bunch of tax returns or prepare different reconciliations, bank reconciliations, for example. So there are these projects and tasks that have start and end dates and are focused on one or two major issues. Then there is background work, the special work that precedes a project or other work. It's grunt work and has to be done by somebody, and usually the lower cost employee, such as an intern, will be given this kind of work. It may not be as time sensitive as a project, but it is important because it gets all the ducks in order before the project begins. It sometimes is used as filler work or busy work between projects. Then there is the unexpected work, and I tell interns, be ready for anything. You may be into a nice routine, a nice project, or a routine task, and then something might pop out and it has to be done, and in business it can't wait. So there's issues that arise during the normal ebb and flow of business that need to be dealt with immediately. And the boss or the supervisor will give it to the intern. Interns assist in putting out fires sometimes and dealing with emergencies or urgent tasks. Sometimes that involves very menial work, and you may have to make photocopies, or you may have to make a delivery. Whatever it involves, it isn't always exciting stuff. That's the way business goes, though, and you do what you can, be a team member to help put out that fire and get that emergency under control. Then there's day-to-day work that must be performed every day as part of the normal operations. That's where you'll eventually get into a good routine. But remember, you may have that interrupted by unexpected work or new projects.